We got Gary on the line. What do you want to ask him?
Well, I'd love to chat about logistics for a bit. If you're managing multiple properties, how do you organize your property log? What's your process?
There's two main things that we have, and anyone can do it. It's using Google Drive. And our property management team has access. We have access. So we have our weekly sheet that they have to put in as far as what units are available. And it breaks it down for every unit type, what our occupancy is, when units get leased up, what was their previous rent, what's their new rent. It gives us all the information on one page. And each week we start a new tab. So we can go back and see where was delinquency at the 15th of the month last month or the month before, because we want to see trends. How quickly are we leasing up, and why is leasing going downwards or upwards? And there's all these different things on one sheet versus the property management company would send us a report that was 7 pages long and it was like a PDF. So having that Google Drive is really important. And then our second piece is we have an Excel spreadsheet with the tasks, and that includes CapEx and whatnot. So we can have the task, what needs to get done, any notes, and when it was completed. And each week we go through all the different tasks that are still open. And if you haven't completed it and it was supposed to be completed, you're going to be called out. And so it's a really good accountability sheet. It's a good way to keep track of everything too.
Hey, if you like that episode, make sure you hit that subscribe button. But more importantly, if you haven't joined our multifamily educational community, the Tribe of Titans yet, you are missing out. So get yourself 30 days free by clicking the link below in the description, or go to thetribeoftitans.info, and we'll see you there.